Hi, my name is Casey with Marvelous Most Travels, and we are here at Sandals Royal Curaçao. Today, we're going to go ahead and tour the Melemele one-bedroom Butler suite, and it has a walkout and also a beautiful Tranquility Soaking Tub over in the kind of past the master bedroom there. And then the bathroom has this awesome, beautiful soaking tub. So let's come on in and take a look. First thing I'm going to show you here is we have this beautiful powder room here. The powder room, obviously get people over, or you just need that second bathroom, always super nice to have. And then come on over, we're gonna go into the main sitting area. So great space, very private patio out here. So you open up the doors, enjoy the breeze, but this is gonna be on the far side of the resort, so very private. You don't have to worry about people walking out in front of you while you're enjoying your coffee or your drinks in the evening. So definitely great space to relax. Then with all Sandals rooms, you're gonna have great inclusions of your top tier spirits. So your sodas and mixers and everything, and then you've got a nice cooler now. Your set is also fully stocked. Okay. Now come on over, we're gonna go check out the main area here. Got beautiful bed space here that obviously has great views over to the ocean, so you can kind of have a nice, beautiful, pure shot of the beach right from your bed. And then as much as we love this bed area, I want to take you over to the bathroom because that's really kind of the highlight of this room. Stopping in here, I got this great soaking tub. Super deep. Got a private commode over in the corner, so you can close yourself out with that. Double vanity, which is beautiful. And then we got a stand-up shower here. Come on into my shower. We've got the rainfall shower head and the detachable shower head as well, which is fantastic. So we're gonna come back out here, but there's a door here and there's a door here, and we're gonna jump over to take a look at the private soaking tub in the back here. So long day, you do a nice quick soak as you enjoy the outside patio. Well, thanks for taking the walk here with me. We hope that you book your next vacation with Marvelous Most Travels, your Sandals experts. Have a great day.